All right, so I have some wheel bearings that I want to hand pack right here. You can see I'm just raw dogging it with the grease. It's fine, it's not gonna hurt anybody, but you can use gloves if you'd rather. But anyway, you wanna start by kind of shaving off some of this grease like this. You start, and by each time you shave off a little more of that grease, it's like pushing it in from the bottom side. And eventually, if you do this enough, it'll actually emerge from the front. So this grease is really cold. It's been sitting out in my garage and getting cold. And so now you see those two little mounds that have come and pushed through in the middle between the rollers. That's what you want. So you want to do this all the way around the outside. So once you've done this section, rotate it a little bit, keep doing it, rotate it, keep doing it, and so on and so forth. And basically as this grease mounds up, you'll just pick it off and restart again and just keep doing this motion, right, like this. So you just push and scrape like that, and eventually it'll come plowing through, you know, kind of hydraulic pressure. It'll come plowing through to the other side. See, like what I have right there. You can see all those little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. That's how it works, and you just got to work your way all the way around the bearing. So now when you're done, you can see it's fully packed in, basically this entire seam all the way in through there, all around all the rollers, and then this entire seam on the back is all full of grease. And so now you can set this aside, clean up your hands, and go about it. Like I say, if you want to wear gloves, go ahead, but this wipes off with a jean rag real quick, and there you are, ready to install. Thanks for watching.